got this diesel heater that I'm going to try and mount to this back door back here. And I gotta take this table off and a couple more things to see if I can actually mount it here or not. It's gotta be sitting on a table like this, and I've got to drill 2 holes at the bottom down here for the exhaust and the intake. I might even just do 1 hole going out for the exhaust, and the intake can go in here. But yeah, I've got to take this table on first. If I even use it at all. My floor's a mess back here, so I didn't want to show that. I cleaned it up a little bit, but yeah, I gotta take these off. These are pretty cool. Heavy duty. These things are supposed to hold up to 300 pounds. Like the table even weighs 5. Oh boy. Best way to measure this, I've got to get the heater and bring it over here. It's about this long. So I'm going to go behind this wall a little bit. There's a wall back here. There we go. Intake. This is for fan air. It's going to be mounted like right here. But it'll be inside, of course, like this. Let me enough the space back here to kind of come back to here with it. Okay, maybe. That's anything important. Nub thing. Heat comes out this side. Door will close with this here. Level line across here. Now, this is pretty level. This box that I made over here. The fan was actually sitting level, so I drew a line up here already from that box. So all I have to do is do the same thing here, make the front, or well, all the way across really. This is where I put my brackets down here to hold the heater up. I do have 2 metal brackets that I can mount on here, and I have to figure out a way to mount the heater itself on those metal brackets. There are bolt holes here, and there's a metal plate if you're going through the floor, but I'm not going to be going through the floor. Here's the back of the heater. I don't know if you can see that line or not. So it'll be mounted about like this. They're pretty heavy duty. I'm hoping there's metal here somewhere that I can drill into. It doesn't matter which way I put these, upside down or whatever. I'd rather put them like this, but let me see something. If I put them like this, I'm just going to use metal brackets to hold this up, but I'm going to fasten the heater itself like that. Pretty much. If I can get it, I would load it. Will it go through that hole? No, it will if I drill it bigger though. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I got my little brackets right here. And the bolt holes in me, with my bolts. Just gotta drill these out a little bit. Those right on there. That'll hold it to the door. Let's see. So I can't put it that way. I have to put it this way. And I want all of these bolt holes to be down the door, you know. That way it can't break loose. If it's just 2 bolts, it could possibly break loose. With 4 bolts through there, 4 screws through there, it'd have a little hard, it would have a harder time. That worked great. I can mount it. I don't know if you can see this now. Bottom here is 4 bolts. So mount one of them there, and one of them here. Instead of these ones that came with it, I'm using a little lock nut. Inside of it. I have something to fit it here, so just tightening these down with these. It's perfect, so, and these won't come undone with vibration and stuff. Middle. So like this. That is just wood. Oh boy. Okay, now I gotta just do these oddball screws. Alright, I just got finished installing this little panel for the diesel heater. I'm just going to run the wiring down. I need to move. No, I need to unplug this for a minute. That's what I need to do. Unplug this thing. Yeah, good grief. Okay. Good news is it's pretty tough to get unplugged. There we go. I have a metal L bracket right here that I need to go behind if possible. Yeah, there we go. Because I'm tucking the wiring in to where you can't see it. Now I had this is for controllers. I had the controller sitting back here, but I never used the controllers, and the controllers that I did use, I didn't have any more of these left. Just for like, you know, Xbox controller or whatever. Fits right in there. I had 3 of them here, and I tried to peel this one off so I could use it on the other door, and it very difficult to get off this fabric. So very sticky stuff. These do not want to come off. So I just left this one. It's fine. Anyways, I'll plug this back up. And I'm gonna try and tuck the wiring in over here. Try and cut the hole for this today. I need to figure out which one is. This is the air intake. Exhaust. I'm going to cut this out. So again, I really hate to cut this, but I have to. It's stuck pretty good to the door panel. Custom made these. Yeah. I'll put that up to there. Yep, I need you. Alrighty. Here's just an air intake. Screw this on. Looks like it's screwed on. I don't even need a thing on it. So leave it like that. I gotta put a clamp on the bottom there. It's awful short. It does extend some, so it's good. I need for it to extend upward. We'll stretch that out. There we go, we stretched it. Oh, stretch it muddy. Sorry. I need for it to come up above all this like this. I'm gonna have to clamp it right here somewhere. Okay, I'm going to see if this door closes, and so that you guys can kind of see what I'm seeing. Oops. Oh, it's not under here, is it? Oh no. Is it that? No. Hello. Let's see how thin your metal is for your car, for your vehicle. Very, very thin. Now this hole is a lot bigger than the pipe. There's a lot to do with that, having to use that sleeve. And that's okay. I've seen somebody run the exhaust through a radiator and produce heat that way too. So it's like a little extra heat, you know. Not a problem. I'm just gonna put this up to about right here somewhere. And we are going to I need my clamps. All I need. I need that sleeves. Come back in Virginia. Alright. These bolted to the metal of my van, so this has a little space in it, and you have to do, I guess, bolt this into the side outside, you know. So I'm gonna close my door and get started on that. What we've got here is failure to communicate, where the doors come together. There is air that gets through here, so I don't want the exhaust fumes to be getting sucked in there, you know. This part don't move, and this part does. When I go to open it, it's going to catch. I'm going to smush the clamp in this. Curve this around. Now you're supposed to use clamps for these too, for this thing. That way nothing's crawling in that little gap right there. See, that's where my fireproof caulk would come in handy. That I used to use in the shop. I used to build exhaust for like semi trucks and used to build exhaust for semi trucks, buses, and military vehicles. Gotta make sure my door opens. I'm gonna use these self-tappers for this. It did come with some self-tapping screws. I know you can't see them. Obviously the camera's over here on this side. It's right here. But yeah, I'm just gonna self-tap those in. Find the screw hole. There it is. Add a little torque to it, you know. There we go. It catches a little bit. Yeah, it fairly touches right there. Having the door all the way open. The Scabium logo. Yeah. Now I gotta run the fuel tank, so let me figure out where. My phone went dead, so I did get these hose drilled, and I got my fuel line. And he's kind of low, but so I've already cut my line. Adding the fuel filter on here. Shouldn't get too hard. And I gotta do the other side. We gotta grab one of those little clamps. Alright, we get the fuel line in there. I should have a bunch of extra fuel line left over. That'll be good. And there we go. Got the clamp on. My hands are so dirty. There it is. There's your fuel pump. I would like to mount that somewhere, but I really can't. It's probably what I should use that one little clamp for. Right there. Fuel line left. Didn't need that much. It wasn't going very far, you know. Right on top of there. Straight up to here. So I'm gonna put that off right about there. There we go. I'm gonna have to put a little fuel in here and check the leaks. Leaks pretty bad. Okay, I kind of want to run this over here and down, something like that. I want to see if I have anything I can hold this fuel line into place with. No baby one, no baby clamp. Put that on here. clamp it on. Let's find it. No, whatever. There. Mount this down here. Make sure the fuel line doesn't get stuck in the door. I'll close it. This wire together. Shove it back in there somewhere. About all I can do with it. Yeah, let me grab a zip tie here. Now, I do have to see if I can mount this thing on here and curve it very, very deep. Okay, let me run the other part of this fuel line. If I can find the other fuel line. Okay, let me run this fuel line from here. Yeah. Hold on. One of these pliers. This one goes in my hand, but this is an awkward spot. Very, very awkward. Fuel line's gonna go over here. There. There we go. Get power? Yep. I had to move it. It was in behind here, so I couldn't see it. There's a little wall here. So I'm going to mount it right here on the door instead. Hopefully it works. I've already primed it. Already primed the heater. Fan kick on back there. Don't worry about more in there. But there's fuel in there. Yeah. Let's see what happens. So there's only 3 buttons. There's power button, there's left and right. I gotta figure out what those are. I can already feel heat, so that's a good thing. It's already getting hot in here. Hear my my water bottles burping or cracking, popping. It's 68 degrees in here now. I'm gonna aim this thing, this tube upwards here, away from stuff that it couldn't possibly melt. So I'm going to have to figure this out, figure out these settings here. I don't know what that is. And this is something I can just turn on and turn off. Stop heating. I can turn it on, get it warmed up in here in the winter. The heat feels, I can still feel the heat coming up to here. A little bit of blower motor. There's the temperature, 70. It'll probably get hotter the higher I raise this up, because all the heat's up there. We'll look at it in a second here. That's awesome, man. I appreciate it, my friend. My friend that got me this. I don't know if he watches my videos or not, but hey, man, I appreciate it. Look at the temperature right here now. Now it's up to 82. And I'm hoping it goes off because it's getting too hot here. Oh, and drop my thermometer. Yep, 82 degrees. And it is toasty. I'm gonna be sleeping in my underwear. Gosh, I gotta clean these up. That's so dirty, man. Everything's so dirty. Anyways, hopefully he knows how much I appreciate it. You know, we'll give this a minute to cool off. It takes it a minute, and I'll save the rest of my battery for in the morning. I'll crank it on in the morning. But that'll be the end of this video. I appreciate everybody that watched. Come check me out live. I play a lot of video games in here. And I do a lot of other things. So I gotta make this look nicer. I hate those straps. I might even take them off. I don't know. We'll figure that out. Just to make it look nicer. Yeah, air's cooled down now. So that was just to cool the heater down. Still off there. Focus. See my little Deadpool. But I think if I remember, I can't remember where I got that from. It's a. I think I got it like AutoZone. Smells good. But anyways, hopefully you've enjoyed this content. Like and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you next time.